Adjust supplier opening balances. There are several reasons why you may need to adjust a supplier's opening balance. Some of the most common reasons are error in the original opening balance, late invoices or payments, returns or refunds, changes in payment terms, or other adjustments. You can access this function from Suppliers, Special, Adjust Opening Balances. Select the supplier. After you select the supplier, system will display current opening balance. You can enter new opening balance. Select opening balance as at date and enter reason why you are changing opening balance. Click Save button. From this, you can change your supplier opening balances.